how to create an BT Sports account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up any web browser that you are comfortable with, and on the search URL, type in my.bt.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to the official site of BT. Now, from this interface, at the top, you will get a menu bar, and on the right hand side, you will get an option as My BT. Once you hover your mouse over there, a drop down menu will pop up, and just under My BT, you will get option as Login, Sign Up, or About My BT. If you already have an account, you can simply log into your account by providing correct login credentials. Since we don't have an account, so click on Sign Up option. Then you will be taken to this page where you will be asked with two options whether you want to be an account holder or you want to be account manager. So select either of this option as you want. Here I will go with account manager. So click on I want to be the account manager. Now you will be taken to next interface here. First of all, to begin with, you have to enter your account number. Have to add the account number of the account that you would like to add, and it should begin with two letters followed by 8 digits. Account number, then click on continue button from this interface, and on the next step you have to choose your BTID username, and once you do that, on the next step you have to enter your details that will cover up your personal details along with your contact information. And once you do that, again on the next page you will be proceed to security details where you will be able to create your password. And once you're sure about that, click on continue, and after that you will have an BT Sports account. And that's how you create BT Sport account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.